can't see anything for now. They're not hornets, they're flying mantas.
Huh? But they never leave Sector 5!
We have to face facts. Xana is getting more and more powerful.
About face, Aelita, fast!
Well, that's it.
Think about warm things, Odd. Tahiti, sauna, heat wave, fireplace.
Flying mines. Yumi, stay with me.
Okay, no sleeping. Everyone listen up. I'm going to tell you a little story. It's from when I was a volunteer research subject for the Space Exploration Program.
Aelita, what are you doing? You're going straight into Skipazoa!
Hot springs, blast furnace.
And believe it or not, Major Santanox really had hippopotamus blood in his veins.
No sleeping.
Cast a spell on him from a glowing mushroom, if you see what I mean.
Aelita, behind you!
Please, hang on. I'm sure Odd's already on Lyoko.
Magma.
Odd! Transfer Odd!
Virtualization!
Oh no, more ice.
Leave me. You won't get rid of me that easily.
Laser arrow! Can I drop you off at the next activated tower, perhaps?
I wouldn't say no.
Look out behind you!
And so, there I...
Another field of flying mines!
Hang on.
Please, Yumi, don't give up. We need you to fight against Santa. Oh, the flying mantas are behind us.
Right where I want them. Here we go.
Yumi? Yumi?